These AI generated black and white CCTV footage are currently going viral, and for good reasons. Imagine a lion giving a dog knuckles, a cat riding on the back of the crocodile, or even a kangaroo trying to borrow a cat. Wild, funny, and unbelievably realistic. That's exactly the kind of content taking over the internet right now. The best part, you don't need expensive gears, paid editing softwares, or special skills to create these viral style videos. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to generate them using 100% free tools in just a few minutes. Don't skip any part of this video because this could be your chance to break into a hot niche before it gets saturated. By the end of this video, you would have learned how to generate viral AI CCTV style videos, tools to generate funny and realistic animal clips, and how to start a YouTube channel in this trend with zero cost. Of course, ChatGPT to the rescue, and this is the prompt I gave it. Give me 3 ideas for eerie, surreal scenes of animal captured on black and white security camera footage in strange environments doing bizarre or impossible things. For example, an elephant jumping on a trampoline. So you can change the amount of videos you want. I'm just going to use 3 just to save our time, and let's send that and see what ChatGPT will cook for us. Okay, so we have one for the subway, we have the second one for an abandoned swimming pool with wolves, and we have the third one for a cubicle farm with a horse. Okay, so all I have to do now is go through this prompt and see if it is what I want. If it is not, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate more for me, or I increase the specification of my prompt. This is the prompt I'm working with, and I'm going to be leaving the link to this Google Doc in my Telegram channel. You can go to the link in the description, click on the Telegram link, join, and then you would find this right there. Now I'm just going to copy this particular image prompt and take it back to ChatGPT and paste it right here on ChatGPT. So now it has suggested the kind of videos we can create. Now this second prompt is for it to give us an exact prompt we can use to generate such a video. Okay, so this prompt is talking about the camera, the lighting, the timestamp on the video, and so many other things like that. So grab the prompt in the description and let's just hit the enter button. Fantastic. ChatGPT is done. So I'm just going to copy one of this. I'll be using the very last one about a horse in an office environment, and it also has a timestamp. So I'm just going to copy that. The very first platform we're going to be using to generate our video is Flow. Okay, so this is Google Flow, and all you have to do is paste your script right here. Make sure you're on text to video, and also make sure you're on VO3 first. Hit the enter button and wait for VO3 to cook this for us. The video is ready. This is very first video we generated. Let's see what it looks like. This is super amazing. VO3 is fantastic. You can feel how the horse is stamping its leg on the floor from the sound of the video. The computers are playing the background. There's a little glitch, just like a CCTV footage. Everything is fantastic. Guys, the secret is in the prompt. So whatever you want the animal to do, you have to type it or add it to your prompt, or just give ChatGPT a little heads up on the idea you have and let ChatGPT bring out the prompt for you the way it should work well with VO3. So I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 more prompts of this type of video, and the animal should be doing something surprising. So it gave me all this. So I'm going to be using this exact one, this one for the kangaroo in a grocery store. So now let's use an entirely different software to try and generate this and see the results it's going to give us. This is the second platform we're going to be using. It is called Digen AI. All you have to do is search for the name on Google, sign up, and you should have some free credit that you can use to test out this platform. So I'm just going to click on this create button right here. On this particular platform, we have to generate an image first. Then we can now upload the image for this platform to convert it into a video. So I'm just going to paste my prompt right here, and we'll hit the generate button. And as you can see, this platform has generated 4 different images for us. All you have to do is look for your favorites out of all these images. So I'm just going to choose this one. And once you like it, click on this particular button that says make a video. It will ask you for the prompt. We're going to be using exactly the same prompt right here, which is automatically there because of this, because we generated the image right here. So I'm just going to hit the generate button, and this is going to cost us 20 credits. I still have about 100 credits left. So I'm just going to hit the generate button while we wait for this image to be animated. This is the video. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. All you have to do is hit the download button right here and download this onto your device easily and effortlessly. And the next AI tool we're trying out is Google AI Studio. All you have to do is search for it on Google and sign in using your Google account. And once you get here, come here and click on the generative media. Click on it and locate and click on this particular VEO right here. So we're just going to use that. And I'll paste my prompt. And this particular prompt is talking about a lion in a laundromat, something, something. So you can come to the right hand side and click how many number of results you want, the aspect ratio. So I'll be generating it as 16:9. 8 seconds is the highest duration. The rest is coming soon, okay? You can add a negative prompt right here if you want. So now let's hit the run button. And guys, the video is ready. Let's play it and see what it looks like. This is actually not bad at all. There's no distortion. It looks so real. It looks so real. Very, very real. Okay, so that is it. Once you're done with this, because Digen AI and Google AI Studio does not generate audio, all you have to do is click on the download button. Let's download this. And you can go to Pixabay or any other audio generation platform to download sound effects that are related to this video. Once that is done, add them up in your video editor like InShot or CapCut, Filmora, or any other one of your choice, and then it becomes an amazing video. Post this on YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram and watch your views go viral. I'm sure you got value from this video, so why not like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified each time I upload a new video like this one. Kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. I would really love to connect with you. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara. Do well to check out some of my previous videos and you will never be disappointed because they are value packed. I'll see you in the next one.